It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Friday, the 17th of April. I'm Michael Groff. Another dry and warm day in the valley today. A weak weather system passing to the north of the state tonight and tomorrow brings a few clouds for us. Maybe a shower to the northern portion of Arizona. Otherwise, slightly cooler tomorrow. And we'll see those temperatures yo-yoing up and down as we get into next week, though. Temperatures really starting to warm up. We could see highs getting into the lower or maybe even middle 90s by next Wednesday or Thursday. We'll talk about it first. Yesterday in the valley, 86 degrees the afternoon high, 56 was the low. The normals, 85 and 60. And outside now, here just after 11 o'clock, a few clouds out there. It looks like a painting. Crystal clear skies, amazing visibility, probably 70 or 80 miles. And we're looking at 80 degrees presently at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 25, humidity 13%. It is dry out there. A light breeze, winds from the south-southeast at 11, and the barometer is falling. Temperatures around the area this morning ranging from 68 at the nearly 4,000-foot level of Thompson Peak to 85 in South Phoenix. The upper air analysis does show a weak disturbance approaching from the west, and that could, in fact, bring a couple of showers to the northern portions of the state, but around here, just some breezes and a few clouds. The watch warning map is suspiciously quiet for mid-April, only a few freeze warnings for parts of the Central Plains, the Midwest, some winter weather advisories over the Northeast. Convective outlook for today, no organized severe weather across the contiguous U.S. I guess there could be a little bit of thunder across northwest or west central Arizona. Even that seems very limited. Here's the day 2 outlook, a risk of severe storms from the Arklatex region through the Gulf Coast across central Florida. And here's the day 3 outlook. This is Sunday, a risk of severe storms, the enhanced risk from extreme East Texas through the Gulf Coast and the Deep South. A similar setup to last weekend. I don't think we're going to see quite as widespread a severe weather event. Hopefully we don't see 36 tornadoes or so like we saw last weekend. But again, all modes of severe weather will be possible, particularly in that enhanced risk zone. All right, precipitation for the next 7 days. No rain expected here in the valley. Not much statewide. Some very light precip possible. But overall, conditions will remain rather dry. It is the dry season after all. Tranquil weather patterns, nothing new for us. So let's get into it as we look at modeling. Here we go. The GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. A disturbance coming into the southwestern states. You might think that looks a little bit auspicious for us, but not much moisture to work with, so down at the surface, partly sunny skies today. Yeah, we'll see some clouds around. And again, there could be a shower or an isolated thunderstorm over northern Arizona, but even at that, it would be very isolated and precipitation would be rather light if anything happens at all. And you can see why we're not looking at any threat for precipitation here in the valley. Dew points generally in the 20s. There's just no moisture to work with this feature, and that's why we're just expecting some high clouds around. Tonight, partly cloudy skies, the dry air mass will allow temperatures to drop mostly in the 50s. And then tomorrow, after that system passes by, again, a shower possible over the northern part of the state. We are dry, becoming mostly sunny, high temperatures, upper 70s to near 80, a beautiful day. Low to mid 80s on Sunday with mostly sunny skies. Same thing on Monday. Again, a shower maybe over northern Arizona as another system passes by. We'll be in the mid and upper 80s with mostly sunny skies. And mid 80s on Tuesday, upper 80s to near 90 on Wednesday as we see a drier northwesterly flow setting up. And again, weather systems will continue to pass well to the north of Arizona. Then Thursday, this might be the warmest day of the forecast period. In fact, the warmest day we've had so far this year. Latest guidance coming in with highs in the low and middle 90s. Again, a dry northwesterly flow continues. This run of the GFS a little bit less aggressive on the warmth. But for right now, we're going to stick with a pretty warm forecast out here. Then going out to a week from today, this is Friday the 24th. Again, a dry northwesterly flow. Heights ever so slightly above average, so temperatures would remain pretty close to 90. And then going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period. This is Sunday the 26th. A trough entering the Pacific Northwest. A dry westerly to southwesterly flow aloft here. So temperatures would continue at or maybe slightly above average. Check it out. Temperatures off the national blend of models. Highs tomorrow around 80, but then we really warm it up as we get into next week. Look at that. Getting up into the middle 90s, overnight lows in the 60s. Yes, it is springtime here in Phoenix. You know those triple digits are not too far away. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning. And if you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there, and you guys have yourselves a great Friday and a fantastic weekend.